Hey guys, this is Austin. Today we're going to be doing the second part of the air tool rack build. I learned a lot from the first video, being my first real video of something of this sort. I'd like to continue making videos here in the shop of builds like this, and I'd like to be doing some more race car video builds. So if you like this, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notifications to be notified for when new videos are released. We're going to be making the hangers for the spring clamps and C-clamps. We cut our 11 pieces of the 3/4 inch 083 mild steel in a horizontal bandsaw and then brought them over to the lathe. At the lathe, we'll face each tube for ease of welding and to minimize the setup time at the welder. The lathe we are running is an old Clausing 6913 14-inch engine lathe. After we face both sides of the 11 tubes, we'll bring them over to the welding table and weld them to our tabs that will connect them to the rack. The tab in the front that helps to hold the tools to not fall off. I covered my basic setup for welding the steel parts in the last video. For the aluminum parts constructed out of 080 aluminum, I'm using 3/32 gold lanthanated tungsten ground to a blunt point. We're using 1/16 IA 4043 filler rod and welding on 130 amps, but only using about 110 amps with the rocking the pedal pulse method. We shear up the aluminum pieces in the stop shear and cut out the 4 corners for a pan style bend. We'll run the 2 long ends of the plate in the sheet metal brake. I finally caved to purchase a Swag Off-Road finger brake setup for the hydraulic press. We'll use this to bend the last 2 bends to complete the pan. Well, that's a wrap for this video. Thank you guys for watching our 2-part series on the air tool rack build. In addition to boxing in the air tool rack, we ended up adding some posts down here for our C-clamps and our spring clamps. We added some cubbies for our air tool fittings and our die grinder flap wheels. I'd again like to thank Logan for his assistance on this whole project. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching the video as much as we did making it. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notifications to be notified for when we update with new content. Until next time.